Older rusted parts take away the shine your restoration project or build deserves, so it's a good idea to replace them. But usually upgrading your bike with all original parts can be a very hard job. Luckily, with places like ours, the CMSNL website, it gets a lot easier already. But even then, some parts simply are no longer produced and we cannot find them. Because of this, we decided to start producing a non-original perfect alternative for parts that we get requested the most. In today's video, we'll be going over the easy installment of one of our products, the CBX1000 Exhaust. So let's get into it and see how easy it is for yourself. We're at one of CMSNL's prestigious customers, Bert from Six Center. He has an amazing collection of classic 6-cylinder motorcycles and will be doing the installation of this exhaust on his original 1978 CBX1000 today. As you might be able to imagine, there are 6 headers and 2 exhaust mufflers for this type of motorcycle, which means twice the fun in unpacking and installing. Once unpacked, the first thing you do is remove the middle header for easier installment and put the pipe joints around the 2 headers. Then go ahead and clamp the first side of the exhaust system into its respective place and get it to stay put by putting the flangle nuts into place and tightening by hand. Also put the rear stops into place and tighten by hand. Repeat these steps on the other side. Once everything is clamped into place, it is time to go over the headers. Add the pipe gasket, pipe collars and put the pipe joint around it and slid it into place. Then add the nut flangles and tighten by hand. Once these are in place, it's time to put back the third header of this side. Don't forget to put the pipe joint around it in advance. Then slide it into place. This might need some tugging, but that's normal. You could also loosen the clamp underneath to maybe make it easier for you. Once this is in place, you got to add the pipe gasket, pipe collars and pipe joint again. And then you get to do the same thing on the other side. Now that everything is in place, it's time to tighten all bolts, nuts and flangles. We always advise to use a torque wrench for this so you can be certain that it's tightened correctly. Our Mechanic Bert, however, has been doing this for many years, so knows how to feel it out. Still, we strongly recommend using a torque wrench and tightening it to factory demanded torque spec. Now that everything is tightened, you should not forget to fasten the clamp underneath. Lastly, we're adding some new rubbers as well, because usually the old ones are pretty certain to be dried out. One final shine with a microfiber towel before we show the end results. It already looks very good like this, but let's bring it out into daylight. Did you like this video? Let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.